Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a new snack that I just picked up recently from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is like my most favorite grocery store. I love all their products. They're always really tasty and the quality is great and the prices aren't too bad either. Like, I think they sell things really cheap for the quality of the ingredients and stuff like that. So these are super tasty. These are a great holiday snack or just really any time, but I was very interested because I tried this and it says Trader Joe's turkey stuffing and seasoned kettle chips. They were actually doing samples of these in the store when I walked in, and one of the girls that worked at Trader Joe's asked me if I wanted to try these chips out with some cranberry sauce, and I did. My husband loved them with the cranberry sauce. I did not. I don't like a sweet dip with a salty chip. I just feel like it doesn't go good together and I didn't like it, but it's definitely an option that you could serve these with cranberry sauce. So it says all the flavors of Thanksgiving in each potato chip. So I think these are a wonderful fall snack. I think that they're just seasonal. I think you can only find these online and in the store during the fall season. So yeah, they're really tasty. What I thought was interesting was I don't eat turkey, but I Googled and I researched and I don't think that they don't say vegan or vegetarian on the bag, but I don't think that these have any actual turkey in them. So they're seasoned really good. They are gluten-free. They have the K for kosher. The net weight is 7 ounces or 198 grams. I like the bag with like the little fall leaves and acorn on the side. Best by April 6, 2019. Plenty of time to go through this bag. So let's read a little bit about it. Turkey and stuffing seasonal what? Potato chips that taste like what? Have we absolutely lost our minds? Entirely possible. But if this is the end, what a way to go. Science fiction said that entire meals would one day be available in a single pill. We've one-upped sci-fi and delivered Thanksgiving dinner in the form of a potato chip. These thickly cut Kettle cooked chips are tossed in a seasoning that tastes like a traditional American Thanksgiving meal. First you taste the turkey, then comes the stuffing, and if you close your eyes, you'll swear you could taste the creamy gravy too. It's kind of funny. That reminds me of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, if any of you guys have seen that movie, which I sure hope you have, because if you haven't, you're missing out. Even as you crunch, one thing you won't be able to do is stop at one chip. Would you stop at one forkful of Thanksgiving dinner? No, you would not. And I do not eat turkey, but I always have my tofurkey or my pasta. So all my little vegan and vegetarian friends, maybe try out these chips as a great snack and have some pasta and tofurkey on the table instead of real turkey this year. Ingredients: potatoes, sunflower oil and or safflower oil, turkey and stuffing seasoning, tapioca, maltodextrin, salt, onion powder, yeast extract, rice flour, cane sugar, molasses, natural flavor, black pepper, torula yeast, lactic acid, citric acid, turmeric extract, celery, parsley, sage, and thyme. So that's the first thing I did when I looked, when I went to go grab a chip. I'm like, let me look at the ingredients, and I don't think it has actual turkey. It just has the seasoning that makes it taste like turkey, which is good for me since I don't eat that. Distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in Monrovia, California. Store in a cool, dried place. Let's take a look at the nutrition facts now. Nutrition facts: the serving size is about 8 chips, 28 grams or 1 ounce. Servings per container 7. Calories 140. Calories from fat 60. Total fat 7 grams or 11% daily value. Saturated fat 0.5 grams, 3% daily value. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 130 milligrams. Total carbs 17 grams. Dietary fiber less than 1 gram. Sugar 0 grams. Protein 2 grams. 0% vitamin A or calcium. Vitamin C 4%. Iron 2%. Alright, pretty quick because I loved it so much, and you're gonna laugh because I just bought the bag yesterday and it's all gone, but they're broken because they're getting towards the bottom of the bag. Oh my god, they're so yummy and they have so much flavor and they're so good. I want you guys to try them. I hope you guys try out Trader Joe's turkey stuffing and seasoned kettle chips. You're gonna love them. Try them for the fall. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it useful.